What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I'm gonna be teaching you a beginner hip hop class. So this is a basic choreography. So the title of the song, it's called Get Like Me by David Banner. Okay, let's start. Alright everybody, let's start. So this is a basic beginner's hip-hop class. So yeah, so first you're gonna close your feet first. So from here you're gonna face to your left, push 1 and 2. This is 2 count, 3 and 4. Then you're gonna turn on 5, jump on 6. Okay? One more time. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, and push 1 and 2, double 3 and 4. Turn around 5, jump on 6, then ball chain, roll 7, 8. So you're gonna put your weight on your left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and push, close, punch, 3 and 4, turn around on 5, 6, roll on 7, 8. Very good. Next, from here, you're gonna go lift 1, 2, 3, step, grab 4. One more time. Make it clear. Right, left, so every time you touch it, your shoulder drop. 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Copy for the last time. So 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we're gonna go to your left, push your shoulder. 5 and 6. Make sure every time you put it down, your shoulder drop. Boom. So 4, 5, and 6. Then you're gonna slide 7, push on 8. Let's try it. One more time. Shoulder 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Slide on 7 and 8. Let's combine first and second. They always part. So 5, 6 from the beginning, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn around on 5, jump 6, 7, here we go, left, 2, 3 and 4, shoulder, 5, 6, slide, 7 and 8. Next, from here you're gonna go 1 and 2, then to the side, 1 and 2. Vertebrae 3 and 4, left 5, 6, then isolation 7 and 8. First shoulder first, elbow, wrist, and 8. So we go from here. 6, 7, up, push, push, 3 and 4, 5, 6, go 7 and 8. Very good. Let's go on from here. 7 and 8. So for this step, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your hand open, snap, open, snap. Goes like this. 6, 7, 8. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go back on a 5, close on 6, front 7 and 8. One more time. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's start from the top. Ready? So 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, shoulder, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One reminder, when you do this one, make sure your body is on your left. So 1, 2, 3. Course, you're gonna go change it to your right. Close and 7, 8. Last 2 8. Let's continue from here. So left, right, left, right. Then your hand is doing it. It's like you're doing the jumping rope. Now go like this, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So side and stay, side and stay. One more time, 6, 7 and 1 and stop, 3 and 4. Then you're gonna step your right chest, 5 and 6 and go 7 and 8. One more time. From here, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, chest, 5 and loop and 7 and 8. For the last 8, isolation, 1, 2, up, 3 and 4. Close on a 5, push on 6, lower on 7, push. Or you can do walk, but this punch is better. Okay? That's all the choreography. But before we go to the beginning, let's try again from here. Okay? So we go 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, up, 3 and 4, stop, push, lower, punch. Yes! Now let's start from the beginning. Are you ready to go? Yes, 5, 6, slowly, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, shoulder, 5, 6, slide, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, here we go, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, look, yo, 8, isolation, 3 and up, boom, punch. Yes! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Bye bye. See you next time.